Buenas tardes a todos y a todas. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here. And then today we're going to see some questions and answers that are also very useful when we meet somebody that speaks Spanish. Okay, so we already know, and just to remember, we already know, the regular one. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Muy bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Miss Gomez. Okay, that's the first one we know, and that's what we have been working before. But today we're going to learn about asking for the age, or asking where do you live, or asking that's basically your age and where do you live. Okay, so if I'm with somebody and then let's see, I'm meeting that person. Okay, so I would say, hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? Mi nombre es Miss Gómez. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Yo tengo 27 años. ¿Dónde vives? Yo vivo en Maryland. Okay, or in Baltimore. Let's put it in Baltimore. Okay, so that will be kind of the complete conversation. Let's put it apart. We already know the first part. So now we're going to concentrate in how to say, how old you are. So if somebody asks you, how old are you in Spanish, it's going to sound like this. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? And you're going to answer to this question. Yo tengo 10 años. Yo tengo 12 años. Yo tengo 20 años. Okay, depending of the years, the years you are. Okay. So, and if somebody asks you, ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Okay, so I would say, I could be, very specific and then just give my address. But then also you can say, yo vivo en Baltimore. I live in Baltimore. Yo vivo en Baltimore. Okay, kind of actually puts you in the area of Baltimore. So the question would be, ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? And the answer to this will be, yo vivo en Baltimore. If it's the place where you live, right? If some people lives in Washington, D.C., so they will say, yo vivo en Washington, D.C. Okay? Yo vivo en Baltimore, or yo vivo en Washington, D.C. That depends on where you live. Okay? Nice. So, we already know kind of 4 questions. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? And we will answer bien, gracias, más o menos, o no muy bien. Okay? The second question we know. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Miss Gómez. Me llamo Miss Gómez. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Me llamo Miss Gómez. The other question. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? And I will answer, yo tengo 20 años. Yo tengo 20 años. And the last question, ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? Yo vivo en Baltimore. Yo vivo en Baltimore. Good job, and please keep practicing. Keep practicing. We have seen this vocabulary before. There are just one question that is really new for us, and it was how old are you. But the rest, we have seen it before. So keep practicing. That's the only way you're gonna get better and you're going to improve, okay? And memorize more vocabulary. I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.